If you're like me and just getting geared up for Christmas, then this video is for you. Hello everyone and welcome to my channel. If you're new here, welcome. If not, welcome back and thank you for supporting me. So in this video, I am going to show you how I created these glitter Christmas ornaments as gifts for my sister and her family. Come on y'all, let's see how I did it. For this project, you are going to need some polyurethane varnish. You're also going to need some extra fine glitter. You're going to need a Christmas ornament, permanent vinyl, some disposable cups, and some transfer tape. I will leave a list of all of the items used in this video in the description below. So to begin, I want to add the glitter to the inside of the ornament. And to add the glitter to the inside of the ornament, I am going to remove the cap by squeezing the tab here. I'm going to squeeze this tab right here, and I'm just going to pull it out. And then that'll give you, that'll help you to take the cap off of the ornament. And I'm going to put it to the side. So then what I'm going to do is I am going to put the polyurethane inside of the ornament. I'm going to squeeze it from this bottle since it's small. However, if you have a larger container, you can use a cup or a funnel. And so I'm just going to squeeze a lot of the polyurethane into the cup, into the ornament. And then once I have the polyurethane inside, I'm just going to slowly roll. Put that right there. I'm just going to slowly roll the ornament so that I can cover the entire inside of the ornament with polyurethane. And you want to go slow when you're doing this process. You don't want to shake it or go too fast, because it can cause bubbles, and then that will cause you to have an uneven application of your glitter. So you just want to go extremely slow and make sure you cover the entire ornament. And as you get closer to the top, the polyurethane will kind of roll out, but just have it, near a cup or something so that you can catch it and it doesn't spill all over the place. And then once you have your polyurethane covering your entire inside of your ornament, you just want to sit it upside down inside of the cup and let it drain. Once all the polyurethane has drained, then you want to add the glitter to the inside of your tumbler. So this has all drained out, and I'm going to set it to the side because I am going to put it back into the bottle because I can still use it for another project. And so now I'm going to add the glitter, and I've chosen red glitter for this project. And I'm going to use this medicine cup to add the glitter to the inside of the ornament. Again, you can use a funnel or you can use some rolled up paper. And so I'm going to pour the glitter on the inside of the tumbler. On the inside of the ornament. I'm going to pour the glitter to the inside of the ornament. And then I am going to, again, slowly roll the ornament around so that I can get the glitter to cover the entire inside portion of the ornament. So I'm going to roll it really slow. To make sure I cover it, and I'm going to use the cup to catch anything that may roll out of it as I get it closer to the edge. of the tumbler. I'm sorry, the edge of the ornament. I don't know why I keep calling it a tumbler. And so now I have the glitter all over the inside of the on the inside of the glitter, and I am just going to dump out the excess glitter into the cup, tapping it to make sure that I get it all out, and I want to make sure that I get any of the loose glitter out as well. Now you want to set the glitter ornament aside and you want to let it dry. Do not put the cap back on the ornament yet, because the inside has to dry for at least 24 hours, or when you put the cap back on it, it's going to scratch the glitter and then it'll scratch the inside of the ornament. So you want to wait until the ornament has dried for at least 24 hours before you put the lid back on it. So I finished glittering the inside of the ornament, and so I'm just going to kind of clean up my space for the next step. And so I'm going to put the glitter back into the container that it came out of. And then I'm going to put the excess polyurethane back in the container that it came out of as well. While I am letting the ornament dry, I'm going to go ahead and add my vinyl design to the ornament. So here I have my vinyl design that I am going to use to decorate my ornament with. I have chosen a monogram design that I downloaded from Creative Fabrica. I will leave a link in the description of the video if you are interested. So now, because I have a 3.9 inch ornament, I cut my design at 2.75. I am going to be using white permanent vinyl, but you can use any color of your choice. Okay, so to apply the vinyl, I'm also going to be using some standard transfer tape. I think this is the Silhouette brand, because it's what I had on hand. So I'm going to take the transfer paper and I'm going to pull it off the backing, and I'm going to apply it to the design. After I have applied the transfer tape to the design, then I am going to burnish the design onto the transfer tape by using my Cricut squeegee here. And so I'm just going to burnish it like this to make sure that the vinyl sticks to the transfer tape. I'm going to do it from the back side as well. Sometimes the white vinyl has a really hard time sticking to the transfer tape. Sometimes I wonder, when you're using white permanent vinyl, if you should use strong grip transfer tape. Strong grip is really strong, and sometimes, you know, that's a pain in the neck as well. But you just want to make sure that the vinyl is sticking to the transfer tape, so that when you peel the transfer tape back, the design will be on the transfer tape. So I'm gonna flip this over, and I'm just gonna peel back at an angle really slowly. And as you can see, the design is not actually staying on the transfer tape. So I'm going to use my picker tool, my weeding tool, to help me to put it down and then roll the backing off of the vinyl. You just have to be really patient with some vinyls. Okay, so I have the design on the transfer tape. And so I'm going to set it to the side, and then I'm just going to get my ornament here, and I am going to clean the ornament with alcohol. So you want to clean your ornament surface with alcohol. Cleaning the surface with alcohol is going to remove any debris or oils from you handling it when you were putting the glitter inside. It's going to remove anything that will interfere with the vinyl actually sticking to the ornament. So you want to make sure that you clean your ornament before you add the vinyl to it. Okay? So now that I've cleaned the ornament, now I'm going to apply the design to the ornament. And so because this is a round surface, it's sometimes hard to get your vinyl to lay flat onto your ornament. And so what I'm going to do is I'm going to put half of the design on the backing of the transfer tape and the other half off the backing of the transfer tape, because I want to try to assist by putting one side down first and then putting the other side down. And so you want to make sure that when you place it down that you are centering it as best as you can, and then you just want to put it down on the ornament, and then I press in the middle, like where the paper is. I press right there, and then I just work my way out, trying to press the vinyl down onto the ornament without it having any bubbles in it. Like, you just want the vinyl to lay onto the ornament without having any bubbles in the vinyl. So that side is down. And so now what I'm going to do is I'm going to kind of flip it over a little bit, and then I'm going to remove the backing. Ooh, hold on. It's sticking. The vinyl is sticking to the backing. Oh, gosh. Hold on, guys. I'll be back. Let me get the design back onto the transfer tape. Okay, so I'm back, and I was able to get the design back onto the transfer tape. So what I'm going to do now is I'm just going to press down the part that's exposed. I'm just going to press that down, and then I'm going to lay this part down as well, and I'm just going to press it down to make sure that I get it laid down again with no bubbles. So this side is going down with no bubbles. That's the goal, no bubbles. Okay, so I think I have the design back on the transfer tape, and now it's on the ornament, and I'm just going to slowly peel the transfer tape away from the ornament. And in the spots where the vinyl has wrinkled, or it looks like it has some bubbles under it, you just take your squeegee and you just press down on that area like so, or you can use your hands, but you can just press down on everything to get it to lay flat again. Okay, so I have all of the vinyl on the ornament. Okay guys, so here are the finished ornaments that I have created. These ornaments are going to be a gift to my sister for her Christmas tree. She loves Christmas, and so I am going to gift her these ornaments for her tree, and it's an ornament for every person that is a part of her family. So let me know what you guys think about the ornaments in the comments. All right, guys, that's all for now. I hope that you were able to follow along with my process. If you liked this video and would like to see more, please give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and consider subscribing to my channel. Don't forget to hit the notification bell so that you can be notified every time I upload a video. And if you have any questions, leave them in the comments below and I will respond back. Thank you for watching and see you in my next video.